And it's just giving like, it's giving like African goddess. Like
If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amelia and I'm back with another video. Yes, y'all see, it's braids, So today I'm just gonna be doing a hair review on this wig. This is a braided wig and it's twist and it's like braided, y'all can see, and it's pretty long. I feel like this is fine. All right, so the hair is from this brand and they DM me on Instagram and asked me to do a hair review on the wig. And yes, I was like, yeah, I never had braids before, like in a wig. So I was like, yeah, I'm interested. So yeah, this is the wig. It's pretty long. I'm gonna include the name of the wig in the description box below. And I use the Erica J, glue to glue it on. And yeah, this is what it's giving. It's very long, y'all can see. I'm trying to show y'all. It comes all the way down here. And this is the brown. They have it in this color and then they have it in black. But I was like, let me go with something different. Let me not do like black. Let me do something else. So I picked this color. And y'all, it looks like braids. Like, I don't even like getting braids because I have a big head. And two, I don't like sitting down and feeling the pulling that I used to feel when I was little. So I don't even do that anymore. I don't get braids no more. But yeah, so guys, this is it. You can put it back like this. So when I first got the hair did have a smell. It had a nasty smell. Not even gonna lie. And be honest with y'all, it did have a smell. And so I just went and washed it with shampoo and conditioner and let it dry. It dried pretty quick, to be honest. It was just the ends that had water at the bottom, but it did dry pretty quickly. And yes, I did pluck a little, but it was really plucked when it came in. Like, I barely had to pluck myself. But yeah, it doesn't feel heavy, like really heavy. And it's like a good density. Like this looked like I actually sat down and got my hair braided and somebody like braided this joint. I would recommend getting this hair. Like, the lace is really good. Like, if I'm just standing, this legit look like just braids, like regular braids. So I really like that. But yeah, I think the hair was like $119. They're having a sale right now, so y'all should definitely check it out. Click the link in the bio. And yeah, please go ahead and like right now and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. We're almost at 3K. I just gotta keep up my consistency, but that's gonna improve. I just have to get my life together right now. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. This is how it's looking. This is the front. Let me just come up so y'all can see it. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, like in every other video, I'm gonna take my palette and a little beauty blender, and what I'm gonna do is just tap on to where the lace is so I can make it look more natural and more like my skin color. And this is medium to dark. To just make the hairline look natural and to blend the lace to your skin. That's what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is just cut through just to make the lace smaller. Oh, I need to brush back the baby hair. I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm just gonna take the baby hair and brush it back. I'm gonna take a comb and brush it back. It's kind of rips. I kind of put some rips in here. I'm up close and personal to the camera. I'm just gonna cut cut. I'm gonna cut it close, but not like all the lace. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to do the zigzag with the other tool that I use to cut, and then just do it this side. I swear I do my wigs differently every time, because it's like there's so many methods that I want to try that I haven't tried yet. So for this one, I can just cut it straight. I'm just gonna go back in with this and just like try to blend it in. Try to blend it in with my skin. I really don't like using these glues anymore, just because of the whole process to remove them. I just think the whole process is a little bit too much. I'd rather use my Got To Be any day, but I just feel like with these braids I'm gonna have to use a stronger glue because I don't want any mistake. I don't want this thing falling off or anything. Basically, I don't want no surprises. Now I'm just gonna go in with the opposite side of this. Basically. And brush that out. Okay, then I'm going to, I think I want to spray it. Yeah. See, I don't even know what I want to do. I'm gonna just lightly like spray over it, and then I'm gonna go ahead with heat again. So I'm just gonna go and try to finesse the lace with this. Then I'm going to go with my handy dandy scarf and just tie it around here. Okay. Do it tight. I'm gonna do it really, really tight. Then I'm gonna take the end, it's white. I'm just gonna push the baby hairs to the side so that I can do my makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna get started on my makeup and I'm gonna be back. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, click the link in the bio and check out the hair, y'all. And I'll see you at my next video. Bye, y'all.